Hello friends, and welcome to this activity today for Expressive Arts and really feeling into ourselves, our intuition, and doing some self-reflection. If you don't know me, my name is Laurie and I'm one of the co-creators at Hello from the Cocoon with my dear friend Sarah, and I tend to guide intuitive art and movement, and Sarah guides vocal play. And all together, we are calling this Creative Embodiment through Expressive Arts. And we love to infuse nature into what we do. So thank you for joining me today for this Expressive Arts activity. So, what are we doing? Well, I'm sure if you are here, you're someone who loves to reflect, to introspect, to gather wisdom from within, and maybe you love to do that through creativity. I know I do, and I always have. Something that occurred to me a couple weeks ago was that literally anything can be an inspiration when you're feeling a little bit blocked or just looking for some way to spark that creativity again. So I was having a little bit of a dull day and feeling a little creatively blocked. So I grabbed a pile of pictures from my closet. I have a bin full of old photos, and being born in the 80s and growing up in the 90s, I still have lots of hard copies of photos. So I do encourage you, if you can, to use hard copy photos for this exercise. And what you're going to do is just contemplate to yourself what you would like to get inspiration for. So maybe you're doing some self-reflection about a transition that you're going through in your life, or maybe you are feeling creatively blocked and you just want some inspiration. It could also just be a curiosity, kind of like pulling an oracle card for the day. So what I did was I held onto a pile of photos just about this size. It wasn't very big. And I just closed my eyes and I was feeling a little bit like confused inside. I just had a lot of emotions going on, and I literally could have pulled any kind of photo. I have photos from all different ages, and I have photos of friends, I have photos of cats, I have photos of scenery, and I just happened to pull a picture of myself, which I found incredibly potent on this day. And I picked a picture of me probably in about fourth grade, fourth or fifth grade. I'm probably just going to show you this. I'll put another picture in to show you, but I have my face painted like a tiger, and I am holding my tiger stuffed animal. I have my leg up and a smiley face painted on my knee. You can see an old marionette doll that I got in Mexico, a fishing pole, this old chair that I used to sit in and talk to my friends. We had this like rotary phone hanging on the wall next to my kitchen. I used to sit here and talk to my best friends, and I'm wearing my Mickey Mouse t-shirt. Everything about this photo, it brought tears to my eyes. It was such like an obvious message to me, like, Laurie, be bold, find your inner tiger, let your passion out, like just be you, basically just be yourself. I love that I am not smiling in this photo because I'm a very smiley person. Even when I'm not feeling so great, I tend to smile and kind of laugh through it. I think it's a good quality, and also sometimes it's difficult for people to really know how I'm doing. But I love that I'm not, I love that I'm not smiling. I love that I'm just like, I am a tiger, and here's my tiger. So the inspiration that I got from my photo was to actually like just literally paint my face. So I have some natural pigments from my friend, and they're all different types of clay, and they're naturally colored. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to be using that with rosehip oil and just playing with some pigments and painting my face to honor this photo and just have fun and let my inner, what I'm calling my inner dragon, shine, because this is a sweet little gift I got from Sarah's children for my birthday, and I just love it. So in light of Laurie with her tiger, it's going to be Laurie with her dragon. So I'm enjoying that. And my encouragement to you is to, when you do this exercise and you pick a photo, to take some time with that picture. You could do some journaling. Maybe it inspires you to write a story. Maybe it inspires you to cook a delicious meal that you haven't had in a really long time. Maybe it inspires you to go for a long walk in nature and collect different things and make something beautiful outside. It could inspire you to pull out your old guitar and write a new song. So take this and embody it. To creatively embody the inspiration that you get from this photo is the whole point of this activity today. And I just want you to have fun and lighten up and laugh and just release. You're going to move the energy forward by doing this. And let me know if you have any fun messages that come through, either from the picture or from the activity that it inspires in your life. And what I'm going to do is just go play with the face paints now. And I will do a little great reveal at the end, because I'd really love to share whatever happens with these pigments, even if it's not so great. But I think it's going to be fun. I did a little testing on my arm earlier. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this activity. Thank you for being here with me today. And if you liked this video, feel free to subscribe and check out some of our other videos. We love to embody our creativity through vocal play, through intuitive art, and sometimes just enjoying the beauty of nature. So I hope you have fun. I'll be back with the great reveal, and I'll see you soon. Okay, friends, are you ready for the great reveal? So we started with this picture of Laurie in about 4th grade. And this is like all clay. So it's dark and rich and powdery, and I can feel my face kind of drying, but also I used some rosehip oil to make some of it kind of like face paint. And I just had fun. I had a lot of fun. Got some purples, some greens, some pinks, and some copper sienna tones, my new favorite color. I just love sort of connecting time through this project and just feeling the joy of being myself, having fun, and not worrying about what I look like to other people. There were people walking their dogs, and I was just sitting here in front of the window painting my face with pigments. So I just had so much fun. I encourage you to enjoy this project and just make it yours, make it your own, and follow your intuition. You are creative. You can reflect in this way, and I would love to hear how it goes. So until next time, with care and connection and a lot of creativity, from my cocoon to yours. Bye, friends.